Ba't may ano?
Demons, yeah, it's pretty easy. One single clap, no disarray. Hold on me, on the crown. Northwest of the castle right na. Regroup, regroup. Are my supports, healers, tanks here? Ready?
Wala pa ako.
Everyone dismount. Walk with me.
Food check
Pinapunta
na.
ko yung healers.
Moving.
Hold
Lumalabas
check.
sila, lumalabas. On
Palabas na,
Come
palabas na, palabas na.
northeast, come northeast, come northeast, come northeast. Catch them my tanks, catch them my tanks. Occult now, occult northeast now, occult northeast now, occult northeast now, occult northeast now. Click through the gate. Ready? We're gonna engage southeast now, southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of the crown. Go. Can you hit this? Thank you. Then just walk on these dogs, yeah? Just kill the dogs. Spread out now. Get ready for counter, yeah? They're on brawl, they're on brawl, they're on brawl. They're brawling now. Defensives now. Defensives now. Defensives now. Heals up on the crown. Heals up on the crown. Zephyr is dying, boy. I need more heals. I need more heals. Keep moving east. Keep moving east. Ready. One more engage, ha? Cooldown check. Hey, DPS. Do you have cooldowns?
Ready.
Keep moving east. Keep moving southeast. Ready? Southeast deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you hit on this healer? On the healer. On the healer on the west. Big link, motherfucker. Just kill. Just kill. Just run them out.
Naka-soldier
I don't care whoever loots, even if you don't have premium.
Marami dito
Ano sa open?
Meron dito sa north.
Ping, 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 ping. Everyone else, if you're not catching anyone, mount up and catch the north. Please. Especially healers. Yes, palut na lang. Thank you. Did you guys also? What the fuck?
Andito ako sa Scarp. Z?
Ha? Pupunta pa lang ako.
Andito ako.
Meron pa daw.
Ikaw na ba dyan? Sige.
Ay, don't hit Harpooner.
Yeah, guys, not harpooner, okay? Only loan 05, 015.
Sino sa atin?
South Bluff. Wait. Everyone else come castle na. I'm gonna open the
May nagpiping.
castle this. What's that thing? People still there?
Laban pa tayo.
Don't die, ah. I don't need people dying here. No, he's super healthy.
So, the ending na.
Okay. Oh, let's go take the castle.
Mata ako sa
Last hit ko ba yun? Wait na.
Nice last hit. Do not reset outlaw anymore, please.
Ay, yun o. Last hit na.
Sa amin ba yung 300?